On April 1st, 1998, I was diagnosed with oral cancer. Just 2 weeks later, I endured a 12-hour surgery. They removed 40 lymph nodes, a neck muscle, and rebuilt 1/3 of my tongue with tissue from my arm and thigh. I spent 10 days in the hospital. Even now, I adapt every day, holding my head when drinking, when cars stop short. These are my reminders. Years later, I obtained digitized slides of my cancer. Now, I show them in my lectures, and through 6-step screening. Proof that knowledge can save lives. Because I am cancer-free, I can dance, advocate, and inspire others to face, fight, and live on. I use my digital representation of oral cancer to educate and inspire. By showing what my cells endured, I connect hope with healing and the power of story. It's how I turn survival into impact, helping others face, fight, and live on.